Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Jamaica's 7th place finish in the men's mile relay was caused by injuries to key members of the squad and other suitable experienced replacements in the overall team at the Tokyo World Athletics Championships, which ended on Sunday. That's the word from coach Bertland Cameron, who had responsibility to work with the men's 4x400 meter relay pool.
3 of the guys who were supposed to go out there and run the finals could not compete because of injury. And so we had to go back and use the guys who we believe that were supposed to be sitting down. They have to go out there and represent. They have to go out there and represent, not the ones that were selected. So we're already in the finals. So we had to go out there and do our best, and that is what we did. But if everything went well, you would probably see a different team out there.
With the conclusion of the World Athletics Championships, Cameron will now ply his trade as part of the coaching staff of Jamaica College after being a part of his alma mater, St. Jago High, for 15 years. And finally, 5-time national table tennis singles champion Simon Tomlinson is officially returning to the sport 3 years after announcing his retirement. This was confirmed by Jamaica Table Tennis Association President Ingrid Graham, who broke the news while speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Wednesday.
Because somewhat of good news, we know that Kane is back, but also Mr. Tomlinson out
of retirement?
Playing in the trial.
He's out of retirement?
He's coming back. Yes, I asked him just now if it was okay to mention it. He said yes, he's coming out to see how it is with these younger juniors going to seniors. So yes, Simon will be in our trials this year.
Tomlinson was at the forefront of a contentious decision by the previous administration where he was withdrawn from the Commonwealth Games contingent after he decided not to take part in the national championships in 2022. Tomlinson was one of 3 players who qualified for the games based on rankings. The JTTA, however, wrote to the Jamaica Olympic Association, JOA, asking for Tomlinson's name to be removed from the team list, citing not only his absence from the Caribbean Championships, but also that he has not been actively competing. Tomlinson had countered that competing at the national championships was not a requirement for national selection. He retired shortly thereafter, but said his decision had nothing to do with his Commonwealth Games snub. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News on behalf of the news, sports, and production teams. Good afternoon.